Heyo interneters, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to talk about the mistake I made in my previous video I posted last week, and hopefully making that up in today's video. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So, short story long, I posted a video about me learning a pin trick called bus last week, right? And I was receiving a lot of comments from everywhere, starting from YouTube, from the gram, and even from Reddit, saying that isn't the bus. And I was like, what? No. How is it not the bus? I watched a tutorial on it. I'd even follow his lessons and all of this good stuff. And then the thought came into my mind. I was like, oh goodness, did I posted the wrong video and it wasn't supposed to be the video that I posted, even though I intended to do something else? And I was like, oh, gotta check on it. So did that, went check on it, and boom, it was the right video. So I was like, so where did I go wrong from here? And so that's when it began, the research. And with those hours and hours of research, I couldn't find anything. No, I'm just totally kidding. I didn't do all of that. I just simply went on Reddit, made a post asking if anyone know how to do the bus, and then this guy came out of nowhere and left a comment on my post. Read his comment, was like, oh my goodness, this is exactly what I needed. This is what I was missing in my other video. And he was even cool enough to even link me these discords that are about pin spinning. So I joined the Discord, found a channel relating to what I might need, posted a video of me doing the bus that I corrected from his advice, and then all these people responded with all these awesome cool tips and comments. And by combining their advice and tips and with a little bit of googling, this is what happened. So to do this trick, you take your pin, hold it between your index and middle finger, and from there you'll want to turn your palm down. And when you're holding the pin, make sure you're holding it near one of the tip. And from there, you'll want to flick your wrist. And what I mean by flicking your wrist is you move your wrist in one direction, you pull it back really quick, or you could just pull in one direction and come to a hard stop. That should cause the pin to start flipping over your index finger. And when your pin starts rolling over your index finger and touches, like the center point of the pin start touching your index finger, you want to slightly turn your index or your palm to its side. And as the pin roll on top of your index finger, you slowly turn your palm back face down, and that should get the pin to roll over. And once you get used to doing this trick, flicking your wrist and turning your index finger slightly to its side will be very subtle and it won't be as noticeable. And yeah, this is what happens. They even suggested that I do another trick before the bus for it to be technically correct. And so I added the twisted Sonic before the bus. And yeah. While I was relearning the bus correctly, it took me about less than 10 minutes. I'm not really sure the time because I didn't time myself. I just based it off the recording time, which is very inaccurate. And also dropped the pin 251 times. So I want to take a quick time out to give my huge thanks and gratitude to the pin spinning community, and for those who took the time out to leave comments and tips to help me fix my mistake on the bus and to help me improve my pen spinning skills. And to name a few of those people, I want to thank Coffee Lucky, and I'm sorry in advance, I'm gonna mess up your name, Sapella Thorns, Instinct, and I'm also gonna mess this up, but I'm gonna try it anyways. It's Jerome Moste, Nova, Tambudo, Panda, David Seller 23, and ZX Ento. And I want to give thanks to those of you who left suggestions in the comments down below on what you want to see me learn next. I will be doing those suggestions, or some of them, in the coming weeks ahead, and I want to say thanks for all, and I do appreciate all of your support, and thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, please hit that like and subscribe button for more content, and remember to follow me on my social media. The links are below. I don't know if you noticed this, but I did left some type of Easter egg like hints in the video to show you what caught my interest this week and what I do plan on learning in, I guess, getting into. So yeah, if you found out what that Easter egg hint type stuff was, leave it in the comments down below.